as far as under the hood goes, a couple of things that I've done today. Well, the biggest one is I changed the oil earlier, put in full synthetic, and so that should be good. Check the coolant, made sure we were at a good level. The color's alright. It's not amazing, but it'll be okay for this trip, and I'll be changing it relatively soon. Then we've got washer fluid. Made sure that was topped off so I can clean the windshield as needed. Power steering fluid looks good. Checked the ATF. Still smells like ATF. Forgot how wonderful that smelled. And then made sure the brake fluid was good. And made sure the oil level was good after I changed it. So all that's ready to go. Around the back of the vehicle, up in there, that is not the normal spare tire that you'd see on a factory car. It's because I took one of the tires that was on this car originally when I first got it and replaced the spare with it. This one's still really old, relatively speaking. It's 7 or 8 years now, but that's a lot better than the 18-year-old tires that were, or spare tire that was on there before. So hopefully hopefully I won't need either, but hopefully if I do need that one, it will suffice. And then there's just a couple other things that I've done to make sure that I'm going to be ready for the trip. I got an FM transmitter, so I'm actually finally going to be able to listen to music that I want to listen to rather than being subjected to the whims of the radio. And I'm pretty excited about that. And yeah, I'm all ready for school. I'm a little nervous. I'm kind of scared, but it's going to be really cool, a really good new experience, and I'm excited. And I'm like squinting and winking at you guys, so I can, it's bright. I'm sorry. But that's all I really got for you guys. Short video, I know, but hopefully you guys are excited to see how college turns out, and hopefully I can come up with some creative ways to make good content up there. But we'll see what happens. I'm kind of reeling right now from how much my life is changing, but still want to make videos, want to keep going. Sorry I didn't get you guys a video last week, that's my bad. But see you later. Peace out.